To hide or turn off lock screen notification in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap lock screen thumbnail to go to the screen where you can edit your lock screen. As a note, if you have enabled touch and hold to edit lock screen, you can also go to the screen by tapping and holding your lock screen. Next, tap the lock screen notification box to customize it. And then tap non-thumbnail to hide or turn off your lock screen notification. Tap done button to save the change. Now your phone will not display unread notification on your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.